Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss statement patterns and their truth tables. We have already studied basic truth tables for all types of compound statements. Now on the basis of that knowledge, we will see how to prepare truth tables for various statement patterns. First of all, let us see what is meant by statement patterns. Now see here, let PQR be simple statements. A compound statement obtained from these simple statements by using one or more of the connectives like and, or, negation, implication and double implication is called statement pattern. Means it is the combination of some simple statements and logical connectives. Okay, so see the examples. Number 1, in bracket P or Q implies R, and another one, negation of in bracket P and Q bracket completed double implies P. Now note that while preparing truth table for statement pattern, remember, number 1, if statement pattern contains two statements and each has truth values T and F, then truth table consists of 2 raised to n rows. And second one, if statement pattern contains n statements and m connectives, then truth table contains m plus n columns. That will be more clear whenever you prepare the truth table for various statement pattern. Now we will study how to prepare truth tables according to various statement patterns. We will discuss a few examples. Now let us see one example. The statement pattern. Now in bracket P implies Q or P implies P. Now in this statement pattern there are two statements P, Q and three logical connectives. This is implication, then this is or means disjunction, and this is again implication. So we have to count this separately, this one and this one, 1, 2, 3. So 2 statements and 3 connectives. So while preparing the truth table, see here how will you prepare the truth table. So number of columns for truth table will be 5. 2 plus 3 means 2 statements and 3 connectives. So number of all possible columns are 5 as shown in this table. Now first 2 columns are always for PQ, means PQ, and possible values for PQ, as said earlier, it will be you have to write T, T, F, F for P, and for Q we have to write T, F, T, F. So you will get the all possible combinations, means 4 all possible combinations T, 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 F, F, T and F, F. Now as per the requirement in this statement pattern, stepwise the third column will be P implies Q. Now as per our previous knowledge, we have to discuss the truth table for P implies Q. Now here T implies T is, we know that it is T. Then T implies F. Now it is F. Then F implies T is always T. And last one, F implies F is T. Okay, so remember this column P implies Q. See this carefully. T, F, T, T. Now column number 4 is P implies Q or P, means this column or P, means T or T is T. Then F or T, F or T is T. Then T or F is T. And last one again T or F is also T. So column number 4 is completed. And now last column is for this whole statement pattern. So P implies Q or P implies P, means we have to discuss like this. T implies T is T. T implies T, again same T. Then T implies F. T implies F is F. And again same, T implies F is F. So last column is completed with all these truth values. So the truth table for this statement pattern is completed. Now we will discuss another example. Second one. The statement pattern is P implies, and in bracket, negation P or Q. Now see, here there are two statements, PQ again, and logical connectives are, this is implication, negation and disjunction. So three logical connectives and two statements. So truth table contains 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is negation P, then negation P or Q, and last one is of whole statement pattern. Again here PQ same. So we have to write the values of P as TTFF, values of Q as TFTF. Okay. Now as per the requirement, we have written negation P here. So negation P, very simple. It is for this, it is F, then again F, again here T and T. Okay. Now column number 4, we have to complete the column number 4, negation P or Q. Now this or this means F or T becomes T. Then F or F, F. T or T is always T, and T or F is also T. So column number 4 is completed. Now last one. See here, P implies this, negation P or Q means P implies this. So column number 1 implies column number 4. See this carefully. Now T implies T is always T. T implies F is always F. F implies T is T. And last one again same, F implies T is T. So we completed this column T, F, T, F. So the truth table, T, F, T, T. So truth table is completed for this statement pattern. Now see another example, third one. Now in first bracket, P implies Q, double implication. In second bracket, negation P or Q. Now again here there are two statements PQ and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 connectives, implication, double implication, negation and disjunction. So 4 connectives and 2 statements. So 4 plus 2 means 6 columns. The truth table with 6 columns like this. PQ as usual, then P implies Q, then negation P or Q, and last one for this statement pattern. Now see the table for P as usual, Q as usual, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Now as per the requirement, third column is P implies Q. So T implies T. See here T. T implies F is always F. See here. Then F implies T is T. And last one, F implies F is T. Okay. So this column is completed. Now next column is negation P, negation of this. Very simple. It is F, then again F, T and T. Okay, so very simple. Now column number 4 here, negation P or Q. So this is negation P and or Q. F or T, T. F or F is F. Then T or T is T, and T or F is F. Sorry, T. Okay, see here. T, F, T, T. Now last one is P implies Q, double implies negation P or Q. See here now, this double implication with this. So we have to see the column number 3 and column number 5. T double implies T is always T. Then F double implies F is also T. Remember this. Then T double implies T is again T, and again same T double implies T is also T. So last column contains the values T, 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 4 times T for this statement pattern. So a truth table for the statement pattern is completed. So we have discussed 3 examples of statement patterns and their truth tables. Like this, you can prepare the truth tables of various statement patterns. For practice, solve the exercise given to you in the PDF file sent on WhatsApp group. For any queries, you may contact me personally. Thank you.